If you're learning cybersecurity the same way people did 5 years ago, you're already behind. Hackers are now using AI. Companies are using AI. SOC analysts are using AI. So the real question is, why are you still learning without AI? Welcome to Cybersecurity AI Plus, where you learn not just cybersecurity, but how to use AI to become faster, smarter, and more valuable. This is designed for complete beginners, college students, aspiring ethical hackers, SOC analysts, and anyone who wants to build a career in cybersecurity. You don't need years of experience or an expensive setup. If you have curiosity and a laptop, you're ready to start. In this course, we'll start with the fundamentals of cybersecurity, understanding how attacks happen, how networks work, and how hackers think. Then we'll move into hands-on topics like networking basics, Linux and Kali Linux, ethical hacking fundamentals, web application security, OSINT, digital forensics, SOC operations, cloud security, AI-powered security tools. But here's what makes this course different. We're not just learning tools. We'll use AI to analyze logs faster, write scripts, understand vulnerabilities, create reports, automate repetitive tasks, and become more productive as security professionals. Because in today's industry, companies don't just want people who know cybersecurity. They want professionals who know cybersecurity plus AI. My goal is simple. By the end of this journey, you'll have practical skills, real-world projects, and the confidence to start your cybersecurity career. Whether your dream is to become a SOC analyst, penetration tester, security engineer, bug bounty hunter, or freelancer, this course will help you build the foundation. If you're excited to future-proof your career and learn cybersecurity with AI, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to join our Instagram community, Unixdroid.in. The link is in the bio, where I share free resources, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. This is just the beginning. Welcome to Cybersecurity AI Plus. Let's build your future together.